Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel 1 2 Steps. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make grammarly correct everything at once. So it's very easy. First of all, you just need to go to any browser you want. So I'm going to Chrome browser here. So in the search bar, you just need to search for grammarly.com. So this is the platform that comes in front of you when you open grammarly.com. So now you need to go to this new and upload. So here you can just upload your document or your paragraph to just check it with your Grammarly, copy and paste it here. So now here you can just click on done, and these are the mistakes that is just identified in this paragraph. So to correct this, you can just click on accept and choose, and again you can just click on accept and choose. Likewise, there are many mistakes and you can just choose like this. So in this way you can just correct your paragraph in few seconds. Thanks for watching the video. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe the channel and do not forget to hit the like button. Thank you.